Welcome to the latest edition of Relationship Tips. Today's topic, repairing ruptures. Have you ever experienced a rupture in your relationship that was intense and felt so painful? Maybe it was caused by a heated argument or by discovering a betrayal. Did the pain of that rupture last for days, months, or even last for years? When the pain from a rupture runs deep, words like, "I'm sorry," are just not enough to repair the rupture or fully heal the relationship. Couples who actively work on creating a healthy relationship do so by embracing specific attitudes, processes, and behaviors. There are 6 essential elements to repairing a relationship rupture, and they are respect, curiosity, ownership, vulnerability, compassion, and behavior modification. To fully repair a rupture, you need to really understand how each element comes into play. So try the following tips. Show respect to your partner by reaching out to right or wrong. Maintain an attitude of curiosity, so you'll be open to hearing your partner's story. Stay curious, even if the story doesn't match yours. Own your behavior during the conversation, taking responsibility for how you contributed to the pain in the relationship. Become vulnerable by dropping your defenses and letting go of your need to be right. This is done to make room to clearly understand your partner's pain. Have compassion for your partner during the conversation. Be sure to listen with your ears and listen with your heart. Most importantly, demonstrate a willingness to modify your behavior based on your partner's feedback in order to truly heal the rupture. For example, you can invite your partner to have a conversation and begin with an ownership statement like this. "I'd like to take responsibility for how I spoke to you in front of your friends. When I said that, I imagine you might have felt embarrassed, unimportant to me, and disrespected. And by saying it in front of your friends, you might have also felt shame. I'm so sorry that I hurt you in that way. You deserve my best behavior, and I'm ready to hear what you need from me to heal, and what you wish I would have done differently that day." Then, be sure to give your partner a chance to respond to what you've said and to clarify how he or she felt at the time and longs to be treated by you going forward. When you focus on the essential elements to repair a rupture, you'll feel more connected afterward and you'll strengthen your relationship. So until next time, remember, change happens best when insight is combined with action.